Should you start day trading? Day trading can sound like an exciting and profitable endeavor, but it's not a great idea for everyone. In this article, we'll discuss the pros and cons of day trading, and then offer some tips on how to get started successfully as a day trader. We hope you find this information helpful. Is it even possible to become a day trader? There are many day trading myths that discourage would-be traders from getting started. Unfortunately, some of these myths have a grain of truth in them. Nonetheless, it is possible for just about anyone to become a successful day trader if they're willing to do some research and put in the effort. This post will outline how you can start making money on your own as a day trader, and what you should look out for along the way. We'll also share some resources that will help you learn more about starting your own business as a day trader. What are the advantages of becoming a day trader? The most obvious advantage is financial. Day traders can make more money than investors who hold their positions for longer periods of time. That's because day trading allows you to take advantage of short-term price fluctuations that are not possible with long-term investing. In other words, if you buy a stock at $20 and it goes up to $30 in a few months, you've made a profit, but only by holding onto your shares for much longer than it took for them to go up in value. If you bought and sold stocks every single day, however, you could theoretically make even more money. That's because buying low and selling high is one of the best ways to increase your profits over time, but doing so requires quick action. And that's where day trading comes in handy. It lets you capitalize on these kinds of opportunities quickly. What are the disadvantages of becoming a day trader? Day trading can be an exciting way to make money, but it also comes with a lot of risk. As with any other profession or career path, you'll need to do your research before pursuing day trading. The first thing you should know is that many people lose money on their first day of trading. This can happen for a number of reasons. Some traders might have unrealistic expectations about what it means to be a successful trader. Do you need special skills or tools to trade effectively? Yes, it is possible to do day trading with no special skills or tools. It all depends on what your strategy is for day trading. Since you will be entering trades frequently throughout a normal trading day, it's important that you have tools that can help you monitor what's going on in your market as fast as possible. There are also plenty of free resources available online, including real-time quotes from Google Finance and Yahoo Finance. If you're just starting out, I recommend using a free service like Twitter to get instant updates on news and opinions about companies that interest you. How much time do you need to be a successful day trader? The answer is as much time as you can spare. Some day traders get it done in 4 hours a day, while others will use up an entire weekend day. Since there's no typical full-time job that involves trading, there's really no typical number of hours you should expect to put in. Don't be discouraged if it takes some time before you start making money. You just have to put in your time until you see results. What can you expect in your first year as a day trader? While there is no right or wrong time to get started as a day trader, many people have more time during their first year out of college. Your first few years on your own are ripe with opportunities for personal growth. If you're in your 20s without a full-time job or family commitments, with access to plenty of computer equipment and an internet connection, you could be well on your way to becoming a successful trader. Here's what you can expect from that first year. Most people who try to start trading end up quitting after about 6 months. Don't let that discourage you. Instead, it should motivate you to keep trying. A lot of traders begin thinking about starting at some point in their lives but never actually do it until they reach a certain age and find themselves with extra time and resources. Day trading requires support. Should you start with someone else's setup or learn by yourself? If you are looking for a way to make more money in your spare time and enjoy yourself at it, day trading might be just what you're looking for. However, it will take a lot of hard work. Before you start out on your own with day trading, consider whether you have what it takes. Maybe you should stick with a mentor or study some more before making that leap. Or maybe you can learn from another trader's mistakes. There is no reason why you shouldn't have support when starting out as a trader. After all, learning how to trade isn't easy. And if you don't have someone who knows their stuff around while you are trying to figure things out, there is a good chance that you will lose money instead of gaining it. Is there an easier way to get started with stock market trading than through starting as a day trader? A day trader is an individual who trades stocks on a daily basis. There are two types of day traders: buy and hold traders, who trade with long-term investment strategies in mind, and intraday traders, day scalpers, who buy or sell shares within a single trading session. These two types of day traders often have different approaches toward trading and keeping track of their investments. As a beginner stock market investor, you might be wondering if there's an easier way to get started than by starting as a day trader. The answer is yes. Although becoming a successful investor takes time and effort, there are ways for beginners to get started without having to take such risks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, a thumbs up would be really appreciated. Here's your reminder to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for more on the trading and strategies. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.